Beaver.
Are you excited for today? Hey, so today we're gonna go look at animals.
Daddy,
We're even gonna go
Daddy,
pet
no,
animals.
no, it's down row Hulu.
One thing I've noticed is it was packed here last night. There were RVs everywhere. Now look, everybody cleared out first thing in the morning, getting an early start on their journey wherever they're headed. Are you pushing her, Ava? But the bathhouse was still warm. When you travel full-time, laundry can be a challenge. Some RVs like ours has a washer dryer built in. This is a one-piece unit, so it's a washer and it's a dryer. It's on the dry cycle right now. Been unbelievably convenient for us. In our Class C, our first RV, we didn't have that, so we had to either use the laundromat, or most of the time campgrounds will have, in fact, I can't remember going to a laundromat more than once. So we used to go to the campground laundry. I think I've been to a laundromat. I don't remember when, but it takes a long time to do the laundry. I don't know how many hours, but you know, set it and forget it. One thing to think about is when you have a house and you have a lot of storage space, you can have seasonal things like this Christmas t-shirt or these Christmas t-shirts or my Minnesota Vikings jerseys. You know, the season has ended for us, unfortunately, even though we're going to win the Super Bowl next year. But if I'm not going to be wearing their gear till next season, where are we going to put it? So we keep bins of things down below, but we're always swapping them out. You know, now that we've gone south for the winter, once it warms up, we're going to have to pull out the shorts because they're all packed away. You know, so we kind of do it seasonally. We've got seasonal bins. Danielle's parents had this exact same vacuum, this Eureka. And I liked it when we were staying with them, so they bought it for me for Christmas. We have a built-in vacuum cleaner. This would be nice to do like a really quick job. I made a mess, so let's try it out.
They different make different sounds.
She wants to do her puzzle.
Oh, okay, wonderful. Hey, Dad, can you help Ella get in her seat?
Now that's smart, isn't it, Ella?
Why?
He rounded it up with the blower. You can't get through that gate, right? Oh, Ella's up. Good morning, Ella. Sun's up. Come on out. Look, your sister's up. Oh, here she comes. Ready? Good morning.
We can go bike ride.
We are going to go for a bike ride. Ready for some breakfast?
Why?
We got to eat, then we'll get dressed, and we'll go on our bike ride.
Yeah.
Are you trying to talk? Our neighbor overshot by quite a bit. Got to back up soon, but you can't back up with your toad, can you? Doctor, how long do you say total it'll take for me to recover?
It's a couple days.
Okay.
And
How bad is it?
it's super, super bad. And when it gets better, I'll be the monster game when the thing gets bad today.
Yay! You did it! You did it! Now grab your dog.
I'll carry the dog. Let's go.
I'll take a video of you cleaning. And you said to take it, why? Because you clean all the time?
Dad, can I start the toast?
Yeah, you can slap the toast.
Yeah.
So the key is to slap it so it sounds cool, but not leave a permanent dent. That's a good slap. Too hard. Gentler.
She's good in a nice way and stuff.
Thank you, Ella. Ella, you're a really good big sister.
Ava loves me super much. So.
Ava does love you super much. We're in Charlotte, North Carolina. Beautiful sunrise. These guys are chomping away at the Eggos. And of course, Bailey's getting attention.
Stinky feet. Stinky feet.
You too, Ava? Is that funny? Another neighbor taking off. New neighbors all the time. This place is very, very high volume, high turnover. When it's time to go, we always unhook it and then unplug it. Whenever we unplug the power, you can hear right away this click on. Now this is our fridge and it's run off propane when we're not hooked up to shore power.
You let me leave the house this morning with my size tag sticker on me. Wait, bye, Eric.
It's a one-lane bridge.